morning, day number 3 from Disney's All-Star Sport Resort. We are on the way to the End Zone restaurant for breakfast. Our first breakfast at the resort hotel, which we're looking forward to. We've seen lots of Mickey waffles. Not sure what the score is, whether it's like, don't know, individual items or you've got like a breakfast meal you can kind of buy or whatever. I don't think it's any buffet stuff, no.
Oh, okay.
I think it's just set meals, but I don't know.
We'll see now.
Yes, here we go. But yeah, so on the way there now. Plan today is Blizzard Beach.
We were going to Typhoon Lagoon, we swapped it.
Yeah, we're going to do Blizzard Beach today. We've got Not So Scary next week and the day after Typhoon Lagoon, so we're hoping it'll be a bit more chill than Blizzard Beach. Because you know there's lots of rides at Blizzard Beach to do, like water slides. So yeah, let's head on in for breakfast and then we make our way to Blizzard Beach. Another hot Orlando morning. I think what's good about these hotels, I don't think it matters, like literally, even if you're the furthest away, you're only like a minute or two away from the reception and the restaurant, like, you know, which is pretty good.
We are quite far away.
Yeah, I think we're the furthest away, but it's a couple of minutes and we're here. Here we go then, full breakfast menu by the looks of it. And then we got like pastries and sweet treats on this left-hand side. Market on this side with all the drinks and stuff. And then, yeah, it's just repeated down there then. And the fridges though, yes, for lunchtime, fantastic salads, fruit, yogurts, everything. Really good selection. Right then, decisions. Right then, breakfast time. Mickey waffles for Ira, and a bacon, egg, cheese bagel and some tater tots for us. Kind of £13 altogether. That's pretty good, isn't it? And she gets like a juice, a smoothie, pack of grapes. Yeah, fantastic. Starving you. Well, pretty tasty to be fair. Shame it's a little bit cold, Nick.
Yeah, it was alright though.
Yeah, really nice. Really nice, like flavour of the waffles, everything soft and fluffy. But yeah, that's what happens when you batch cook and stuff. And then by the time you queue up, pay for it, sit down, get a coffee, etc, etc. Just, yeah, could have been a bit warmer for me, that's all. But yeah, fill a little belly and now we're off to Blizzard Beach. Woo! Really easy to get to Disney transportation as well, right at the reception. And we're there. And then every bus stop has its own individual place. Disney Springs and Typhoon Lagoon are joined up. Blizzard Beach is down at the end, and then you have this like TV screen up on the wall which will tell you, oh, it's gone now, which will tell you basically every park when the next bus is due. Also, we're waiting for it to kind of come back on. There we go, and that's what it looks like. So for us, where are we? Blizzard Beach, next bus 9:57, 5 minutes. Cool. And then it updates as well, obviously they're all estimated times, so oh, there we go, Typhoon Lagoon, got to take the Disney Springs bus and then transfer from there. Looks like the bus for Blizzard Beach stops in all the All-Star stick. Like Disney Springs.
All-Star Music Resort. Please collect your belongings, watch your head and step as you disembark, and take small children by the hand. Thanks.
Well, so far, with the buses that are shared from All-Star Sports, isn't it? There's stops at every one. From the All-Star Resort, sorry, the Sports is the first pickup, isn't it?
Yeah, which is great.
Which it turns out kind of like the cheapest hotel out of the 3 of them to stay in. But that's worked out really well, because the bus then, by the time we got to the 3rd resort, which was Movies, is it?
Yeah, but
it was full, it was rammed.
But I do think the price fluctuates, so I don't think it's that sports the cheapest. I just
Yeah.
think it fluctuates, so it depends on demand and that.
Possibly, yeah.
It's the cheapest when we booked it.
Yeah, I see. But yeah, that's a good little tip if you kind of considering which one to stay at, because they're all pretty much the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
You know, just different themes. So the Disney Springs, Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach bus, which is shared, stops at every stop, only on the way. That's a really good benefit, I'd say. So Blizzard Beach, in case you didn't know, is themed like a ski resort, like a snowy ski resort, but it's very hot. Park is open 10 till 6 today, so plan is today we're gonna finish up a bit early, have a nice little change and head to Disney Springs for the evening. Cool. And also Blizzard Beach, well, and Typhoon Lagoon, no need to bring your own towels, so that saves some space in the case for sure.
Maybe she was here. You gotta go in the water and maybe find her.
Right then, we've had a quick change, and this is what happens in between. How can it be like that after how sunny it was just a second ago? Absolutely flooded. Guess we're staying in the change room for 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Finally the rain has passed and the pools and attractions are back open at Blizzard Beach. Wow, that was absolutely crazy. Literally everybody hanging around waiting for the pools to open, and it was like a blinking stampede. So yeah, we're over in the little kids zone now. Nick just over there by the by Olaf, have a little splash around, a little spin on the slides, and finally we get our day underway. Wow. And I've got switched over to the GoPro now, got my little hand strap with me today. So yeah, that should be interesting on Summit Plummet. I'm nervous, but I'm looking forward to it. Here comes little Lyra. Woohoo! Time for the ride on the lazy river. It's called Cross Country Creek or something. Which spans the whole length of the park, all around the outside of the park. I'm gonna find someone out to get the buggy parked up and jump on in. Look at the waves. Funny playing Christmas songs in the summer. Well, like Caribbean Christmas songs.
No, it's just the music. Give me the idea of going somewhere hot for Christmas.
Oh yeah. Definitely on the bucket list, that is. Here we go, we're off on the lazy river. Woohoo! All in tow, like a convoy. Hi there, wave. Hi, daddy. Wave to daddy. Doesn't quite get the concept of a rubber ring yet. Oh, beautiful.
So glad we've managed to do a couple of bits now.
Yeah. At one point I was thinking, oh god, it says rain till 3 o'clock. And we'd have no chance to do anything. Yeah. Wave everybody. Eva's certainly enjoying herself anyway. Quick, I'm losing you. Uh-oh. Hi ho! Hi ho!
Oh, sorry, jam.
Traffic jam.
Jam. Sorry, you're gonna be
Pushing daddy away. Pushing daddy away. Gotcha! Oh! Hold on tight!
Hi-ho!
Hi ho! Just through the caves. Hi ho! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
I'm pushing me. Oh no.
Uh oh!
We're gonna have to get over underneath that.
What's ahead? Oh! Uh oh! Somebody's gonna get soaked.
You need to pull out that inward.
Pull her in where?
Underneath it. You can't go into that.
You give me Ira. Uh oh! Come on, dolphin! Go! Go! Ira! We're soaked! Soaking potch! Whoa! That was cold. Ira, was that cold?
Right.
Nelsie, sit in it and you press the hole.
Whoa!
Press it.
He's sneezing.
Squeeze it. Achoo. Naughty man.
Naughty man. Oh no, it's stuck. It's all good. Sorry. Look out. Oh, it's cold, it's cold. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, is he gonna sneeze, Ira? Just missed us. Goofy's out in his sunny attire. Absolutely loving the Caribbean Christmas vibes. We have to get this album on the go Christmas time, Nick. Yeah, you're right in the mood. Here we go then, lunch for today. Chicken flatbread, chicken tenders for Ira. And look at these. Look at these Bud Lights. Blizzard Beach 4-pack. And then if you want to refill it then, it's like $8 instead of $13, which is pretty cool. Starving now. We'll just have a little snack, Nick, and then we'll have something around the park and somewhere else, is it?
Yes, here we go, is it?
Yeah, sounds cool. Fancy Mickey pretzel with cheese sauce, I do.
Oh, do you?
Oh, yeah.
You hate pretzels.
Right then! Here we go, here we go! On the waves! Look at Summit Plummet. See if we can see anybody go in. Mount Gashmore. Here goes somebody, Nick. Woo! Now stand up, Ira. Stand up. Here we go. You can't go by yourself. Whoa, proper choppy. Right, I win. Whoa! Is it fun? Lots of fun. Not yet. How's she doing? Went for a walk to see if we can get on Tube Ride, and this is our transportation back to where we were. Beats walking there.
Oh, just missed us.
Off back down to Tykes Peak, which is designed for kids 122 centimeters or less. So there's a couple of slides here that you can actually go on if you are taller than that. But yeah, cool little fun kids splash pool. There is a teenager section or young teens or something a little bit further on as well, where there's like ropes and stuff to kind of climb across and all that kind of stuff, like an adventure kind of thing.
I'm right there. Go down the block.
I've got an enjoyable little afternoon at Blizzard Beach.
Yeah.
Well, I say afternoon, we got it this morning, but by the time the rain passed, the storm passed, and they let everybody into the pools, that's been about lunchtime, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not far off, which kept us back a little bit, to be honest. Some of the queue times for some of the other rides and the ski lift and stuff has been bigger this afternoon, so we're actually given some bit of miss. But still had a nice little less of a walk, and I am looking forward actually to get into Disney Springs a little bit early, have a little look around, do a bit of shopping, maybe hop from one place to the other, have a drink, have some food and that.
Yeah.
What's on the agenda for food?
Oh, I don't know actually. The polite pig I heard is nice. And chicken guy.
Chicken guy we were thinking of going to. Jock Lindsay's.
Oh yeah.
Hanger. A couple of different options, but we'll have a look when we get there, is it?
Yeah.
Cool.
So as well.
We'll see you in a bit.
As you walk through the machine, where the blue lights are. Check to the left-hand side.
Okay, we made it to Disney Springs. In the daylight this time. We're going to see a little bit more. Just waiting to get through security now and we'll be in. There we go. And in the center of Disney Springs, let's find the map. Okay, I think we have settled on House of Blues. Should be pretty fun as well. Yeah, it is very busy today. It's a Saturday night, so extremely busy, but we're going to give it a try. There's plenty of options anyway. Something to fall back on if that doesn't work out. So I know the House of Blues is down the bottom somewhere, but not 100% sure where. But I did see the sign as we passed when we were coming in, so we just kind of follow the crowd and we should get there. Hopefully. That's the idea. Oh, there's the balloon, which I'm not sure what's called here. And we've got a bit of live music going on down the bottom as well. Cool. So House of Blues is right down the bottom of Disney Springs. So like left as you're coming in, if that makes sense. Next door to Cirque du Soleil Drawn to Life. And they have a huge M&M shop. I believe House of Blues, there's like 3 different bars and restaurants and stuff. One bit where there's like live music, and that is adults only, I think. And the porch or something. But then, yeah, they have like a barbecue restaurant and possibly some other kind of restaurant here as well. City Works, have you heard of that? What's that? Just another kind of restaurant, is it? Eatery and something it says. And Poorhouse, cool. The House of Blues we went to in Orlando on...
Yeah, we did, yeah.
We had a lovely meal there, to be fair. I believe this is kind of what they're on about, no children out on this kind of porch area, you know. Just got to find the restaurant now. Okay, so the smokehouse is literally just like a takeaway place. got this kind of restaurant porch area. Cool, isn't it? And restaurants round on the end. Proper meat and barbecue kind of stuff, Nick.
Yeah.
Happy with a bit of that?
Yeah, let's have a look and get in.
Cool. Yeah, let's not get our hopes up, is it?
No, I know.
Perfect. This is awesome. So we decided to sit outside instead of waiting about 20 minutes for a table. And yeah, we get some live music too. Fantastic. Bloody awesome. Okay, our food is locked in.
We've ordered the same thing. Our oven is that. We should have mixed it up and had half and half.
Because you know what happens? I order something and you go, what are you having? And you go, oh, I'll have the same thing. So you go for the Nashville hot chicken.
I fancy that though as soon
Yeah.
as I look at the menu.
I'm not sure if you quite know how hot Nashville hot chicken is, mate.
Oh,
Usually,
you're joking.
you know, it might be not so bad. Maybe
Oh,
get
no,
some
you're kidding.
ranch to water it down or something. And
Well, I just thought it'd be just like peri chicken.
No. it's crispy coated. It's like chicken tenders, but a Nashville hot rub on it. Uh-oh.
Well, I instantly regret this now because I'm not going to be able to eat it.
No, it's going to be stunning, I think. Yeah,
Oh,
and a
why
little
didn't you tell me
mac
that when I
and
said, oh, I
cheese,
fancy that?
mac
Because
and cheese
now
side
I've
to go with
locked
it.
in.
Lovely little setting out here, Nick.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Nice and warm enough. And yeah, I think the band are coming back on pretty soon, they said, or a different band or something, but
Is it?
yeah,
Yeah, it's
perfect
good,
this
isn't it?
is.
I'm shocked we got in, to be honest. Oh my god,
Yeah.
people scraping chairs like.
We were going to sit inside, but it was like a 20-minute wait for a table, and I love a bit of live music, so we thought we'd come outside. You do, however, get outside like disposable kind of takeaway stuff, but that's alright, innit? That'd be
Oh, I
fine.
didn't realise that. Yeah, that's
And then
alright.
basically got the smokehouse menu in case you wanted to go and get something from the takeaway smokehouse, which is just here. Got a couple of different things in there, to be honest with you, like the corn dogs, foot long, hot dog, giant pretzel, smoked turkey leg,
Oh, I love a smoke. Well, I've never had one, but I've been
smokehouse
fancying
nachos.
one.
Yeah, or you can pick something from the full menu. But still table service, which is good. I thought we'd have to go up and order and collect and stuff, but
Yeah, me too.
yeah, you do if it's
Gross.
from the smokehouse, I think. Yeah, we're going to enjoy our evening and get a bit of shopping in then.
I'm actually really shocked that we got a table. Have I said that already?
Yeah, you said that already, but hey ho.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think there's lots of restaurants here in there, so there's enough,
Filled up with
enough to
crowds.
fill people.
And
Fill,
this is right at the end, isn't it? So it's a bit more out of the way, maybe.
It is, yeah. And they do have obviously inside this outside porch area.
Oh, wreck of a bad throat now.
Plenty of places to eat though in Disney Springs, so lots of selection, and yeah, I don't think you'd ever get trouble getting something to eat at least, even if it's Chicken Guy. Still want to go Chicken Guy though at some point.
You won't be going there.
Might
I know what you like.
Might get some chicken on the way home. Yeah, we'll see you. See what type of the food gets here now. Here we go then.
Right,
made
the
a
chips
mistake.
have blown my head off about it.
It's Bluesville hot chicken, not Nashville. Well, Bluesville but Nashville rub, so yeah. Smells good, I can smell the pickles. Looks good.
I can see it
Side of
all
mac
there,
and
like
cheese.
whacked on. Oh no.
You enjoy yourself. Tuck in, see what it's like. How we doing? So far so good?
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's definitely got a kick, but it's alright, I can handle it.
No,
That
just
sauce
nice.
though is wild, like that's really hot.
It's a nice like honey sauce, I think it is.
That's super spicy.
I don't think that's the spice. I'm pretty sure it's the chicken, but yeah. Good stuff, good stuff. Don't usually get mac and cheese, this is good stuff. These two massive like chicken breasts.
Huge.
A little bit awkward with the
It is awkward with the cutlery, isn't it?
with the
It's
cutlery.
plastic.
Gonna have a bit of pickle on there. Bit of coleslaw, bit of hot honey.
Right. Nice
Good.
to they all on. Head down.
Best meal at Disney so far.
Oh, we are.
Easy.
Oh, yeah, I
Easy.
agree, I think. Right then, let's tuck in.
What's the verdict? What was the verdict? Good?
Yeah, nice.
Nice and hot?
Nice and hot. Wasn't too bad, it's okay.
I finished mine. I cleared my plate. A couple of pickles left over. This sauce was lush as well. Like a sweet honey.
Weren't for me, it was really spicy.
Oh, you've left a round of chips as well.
I went filling myself up on chips.
And the band has just started back. Dinner is done. Lush that was.
Yeah, it was lovely when
Enjoyed, yeah, nice little set in there.
In there as well, listening to the band.
A couple of beers, some Bluesville hot chicken, listening to the music. Yeah, could have stayed there really, but we are trying to head to a couple of shops before we leave. Mainly Ron John, yeah?
Ron John tonight, I think. And then going home shattered now, me.
Yeah, tired one, so probably won't have enough time now for World of Disney as well. It shuts in an hour by the time we walk now to Ron John, which is way over the other side. No, actually it's in the middle, isn't it? World of Disney's over the other side.
And I get the bell.
So yeah, we will see you when we're in Ron John. It is nice and pretty, isn't it?
Oh, yeah,
It's like
it's
you
really
said
nice.
earlier, it's as if you're not in Disney,
Oh, yeah.
but then you kind of are in the same way. So I mean, the service and stuff you get is still fantastically awesome and that. And I believe Ron John is just down this way. We're back at the kind of, is this a centre?
I think it's called Town Centre, yeah.
Okay,
I think.
where we got off the bus, transportation, just down there. And I believe Ron John, we saw the other night, didn't we, is just around the corner here, I think. Are you ready for the smell?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that smell hits you when you're in there, doesn't it? And then any little inkling of it when you're back home reminds you of it straight away, doesn't it? what is it, like a coconutty, vanilla, like sex wax comes a bit close, but still doesn't wear as long as the smell of Ron John, I don't think. So maybe we'll be able to get a couple of those little scent things for the car, and maybe a nice little bit of a tyre. What would you say the theme in this place is, Nick?
What for?
The theme in Disney Springs, what would you say it is?
I don't know.
Like, what is this theme in?
I feel like I'm in an outlet in Spain.
Yeah, like Italy, I was thinking maybe, like Italian
Yeah.
kind of white kind of stone marbling kind of effect. Right, we're at Ron John. We were absolutely landed when we saw there was one of these at Disney Springs. Could not believe our luck, considering the one we used to go to on the top of International Drive shut down. And then we were left with just the airport version. Oh my God, we're in. Let me tell you, smell amazing. You could literally spend an absolute fortune in this place. I just love this shop. Got a couple of items locked in. T-shirt. Some hat gifts. You can sell surfboards in here. And we got the scents for the car sorted. Happy.
Secured the goods and
Made some purchases. But literally you could spend all day in there.
Oh, I guess.
And that wasn't even the biggest one we've been in, is it?
Oh no.
But still, like, the stuff, you know, it's good quality. We've got stuff that's years old, and that was still going. Yeah, some really nice, cool designs and stuff in there. Upstairs, they had a bit more of like generic stuff in it, Billabong, Quicksilver, all that kind of stuff. Some stuff were like a mashup, Ron John as well, O'Neill, Ron John and stuff. But surfboards, just go in there for a cool and enjoy the smell. Yeah. So it's just gone 11 now. Disney Springs closes at 11:30. So we're making our way back now to the Disney Transportation, to call it a day and get ready and settled for Hollywood Studios tomorrow. Another new park for us.
Can't wait actually.
Yeah, that's going to be really now exciting one. Cannot wait.
I'm on edge to get to bed now.
Yeah.
I know we've got a long day tomorrow. And
Can't wait to get walking into Galaxy's Edge. Yeah, that's going to be a good one. So, thank you very much for watching again today. From day number 3, we will see you in the morning for Hollywood Studios. See ya!